Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And apparently for Wantable, I have set up a reoccurring monthly style edit to be shipped to me. And that's what we have for today. For those of you not familiar with Wantable, it is a subscription box where stylists pick out clothes for you based on your preferences and things that you have shared with them you like. You can have it set up monthly like I'm doing right here. They will send you, depending on the box, I'm thinking it's like between 7 and 9 items. The styling fee is $20. Sometimes I get charged tax, sometimes I don't. But that styling fee, if you decide to keep anything in the box, it comes off what you already paid. If you keep 5 items or more, you get 20% off of those items. Now, there have been some boxes I have gotten where if you keep 5 to 6, you get a percentage. 7, 8, a different percentage, a higher one. 9, an even higher one. I don't know what drives that, but something important to know. The one thing that I always say on every one of my boxes is, if you're gonna give me short sleeves, make sure those sleeves go down to the elbows, because it's a personal preference. So let's see what I got this month. Oh, also there is a stream that you can go and you can pick items that you like. If you like them, it's like you requested them and they will put them in a box. Those have showed up in themed boxes before. My thoughts, if they're going to show up in a box, I want them to show up in this style edit box that's like the reoccurring box. So this box might have quite a few items where I possibly requested them. So whatever you don't like, you do get a bag that is pre-labeled to ship back. So you do not have to pay for that. Starting at the top. This first item is from the brand Weekend. It is a size medium. And I do want to say that there have been some items on my stream recently that I have selected that don't have sleeves because they're a specific item to wear underneath something else that I'm thinking about. So we might see those in here. This item I am pretty sure I did not request because it is nowhere near me. This is nowhere near me, especially with them sleeves. The price, we don't have a price on this one, so we'll catch that price here in a little bit. This one, I do not believe I will try on just because of the sleeves. You can already tell it would be skin tight on me. I'm not comfortable with that. And off the top of my head, that would be a very difficult shirt to like wear under something else. So next item. This is kind of like a peasant top like. This is a 78 and Sunny. It's a size large. Price is $69. It is a sailwind V-neck ruffle top in deep teal. I'm gonna try it on. I mean, I think it might be okay. So sleeves look like this. V-neck. Bottom is a little tighter. So I will try this on. Next item I just also received in the box right before this one. Another huge pet peeve of mine. Check what I've already gotten. This is not the first time I have gotten items. And yeah, one box, I want to say there was at least 2 items in there that I had gotten before. So it's that pink shirt again by 78 and Sunny with the no sleeves and the ruching. So definitely a no. $59, which I think is ridiculous also for that. Okay. Moving on, we'll get to the next item. Excuse me. Moving on, 78 and sunny as well. It is a V-neck sweater. It's, you know I said I would try things on, you guys, but this is just going to be a definite no. It's a type of stitching that I think would stretch out very easily. There's nothing special about it. I already have a ton of sweaters. You guys know that. So this one I'm not going to try on just because there's nothing special. I don't need any more sweaters right now. And I'm not a fan of the stitching of it. Okay. The next item you will notice was also in the box right before this one. Again, it is the cardigan. So now we got two items exactly from the box before. No. Okay, moving on. I got a pair of shorts. These are the Kenzie jean shorts. Now, in another box, and not the last box, the box before, these shorts were in there. They were a different color. I loved them, but I needed a smaller size. They did not have a smaller size. These shorts are the same shorts, different color, but they too, I need a smaller size. So these shorts, they're by Kenzie Jeans. They're $58. I am not going to try these on only because I know what they look like. I like the fit. I already know I need a smaller size. And I don't need this color. Like, I'm now starting to accumulate quite a bit. And I want the other ones. I even went and looked outside to try to find them. You can't find them. So those are going to be a no. And then the last item I have in here is by the brand Micah, Los Angeles. They are $89. They are jeans that are cuffed. I will say I like them. I need jeans. They have some distressing. But I also haven't been buying jeans from these boxes because I've said, I can get jeans later, even though I need jeans, and then I might even be able to get them a cheaper price. Now, I recently just kept a pair of jeans from another box. I really liked how they looked on me. These, do I like them? I do like them, no doubt about that. However, they're $89. Again, there's nothing special, unique about them that would tell me, okay, buy the jeans now and not buy them later in the fall. So these I'm just not going to try on for that simple fact. So we have in this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 items, you guys, and only one I'm going to be trying on. That's quite disappointing. I mean, this is 100% a no, okay? This is a no because it was in the other box. This is a no because it was in the other box. Then that leaves these other 3 items that I specifically chose not to try on. I like these, like I said, but I need a smaller size, and the color is just okay. This, I don't like the quality. And then the jeans, I do like the jeans, but again, I don't want to spend that amount of money right now. So then that leaves me with this. Am I disappointed? I am disappointed. But let me go try on the shirt and we will see. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have tried this on. No. Not a fan of the little ruffle at the sleeve. I'm not showing you the long thing, but it's tight. It definitely does not fit me. It does not fit me. I'm not liking this extra ruching right here. I'm thinking it might fit me. Let me just preface. This might fit a little bit better if it didn't have this, but it's definitely like the chest is too much. So this box, unfortunately, I will not be keeping anything. I'll be sending the entire box back. And I am also going to be making a note on the box that you sent me 2 items that are a duplicate from the box before. And then you sent me 2 items that I've already said are 100% a no because of the sleeves. So yeah. Now I do have a lot of boxes coming, but you got a computer system. You don't even need to think. You should be able to do a quick search or a click or something should pop up and say, no, this already is assigned or something. So it's not even like you needed to even think, has she already received this? Should be telling you. So yeah, I can't give a pass on that one. But all right, guys, well, take care. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. That was a major dud this time go around. But I'm sure it will not be the last time we see Wantable. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye, everyone.